In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send documents for signature using DocuSign Rooms. Let's dive right in and get started with what you'll need to do. First, go ahead and log in to your DocuSign account. If you haven't done this before, make sure you have your account credentials handy. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page. Don't feel overwhelmed by the different options. Start by navigating to the Templates tab. This will be your go-to area for creating and managing the blueprints for documents you frequently send out. Here you have a few options. You can create a new template from scratch, which is as simple as uploading your document and setting up the fields yourself. This is a great option if you have specific needs not covered by existing templates. Alternatively, if you're looking to save some time or prefer starting with something already structured, you can click on Browse Starter Templates. These are templates curated by DocuSign to cover a wide range of common scenarios, so they're a great starting point. For today's demonstration, I'm going to use a starter template. This ensures we can focus on the sending process itself without getting bogged down in the creation stage. Once you select the template that fits your needs, it's time to add your recipients. Enter their email addresses and any specific details DocuSign requires. This step is essential as it determines who will receive and sign the document. Once you have your recipients lined up, click Next. Now, you're in the DocuSign document editor. This is where you can add any input fields to your document that recipients might need to fill out. If you're working with a starter template, you'll notice that a lot of this groundwork is already done for you. The fields will typically be pre-populated and ready to go. However, if you uploaded a document from scratch, you might have some work ahead. You'll need to manually drag and drop the fields your document requires into place, ensuring everything is perfectly set for your recipients. After inserting all the necessary fields, take a moment for a final review. This ensures everything is just right before you hit send. It's always a good practice to double-check for accuracy and completeness. When everything looks perfect, simply click the Send button. Congratulations, you've now sent your document for signatures through DocuSign Rooms. By following these steps, you ensure a smooth, efficient process every time you're sending documents for signature. This method saves time and ensures accuracy, enabling you to streamline your workflow and focus on what truly matters. Thanks for watching and happy signing.